Hello everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister calls on Prime Minister Modi, urges him to OK drug park. IMD predicts heavy rain in Himachal Pradesh for next 3 to 4 days, issues a landslide warning. Maskless crowds in Shimla finally catch attention of authorities. Tourists are restricted on Ridge Mall Road. India records 41,157 fresh COVID cases, 518 more fatalities. 25 die as heavy rain triggers landslide in Mumbai rail road traffic hit. President Kovind to visit Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh from July 25 to celebrate Kargil Divas. Monsoon session set to be stormy, opposition to corner government over fuel prices, COVID management. Punjab Congress Chief Sunil Jakhar calls MLAs meet on Monday. Farmers protest, Delhi police ask DMRC to close 7 stations if needed. Now news in detail. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister calls on Prime Minister Modi, urges him to OK drug park. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and urged him for central assistance for projects in the state. He also discussed political issues including the next assembly elections with the Prime Minister. Jairam Thakur urged Modi to approve the state government's proposal for a bulk drug and medical devices park. This would help in pushing industrialization in the state and help generate jobs, he said. He urged Modi for financial assistance for the proposed airport at Nagchala in Mandi district. The airport is proposed greenfield airport to be built on 698 acres at Nagchala. The Airport Authority of India AAI gave clearance to the projects in May 2018. Also, Jairam Thakur referred to Himachal's effort to boost its road network. He also apprised Modi of the state's initiative to check COVID spread, strict implementation of the protocols and the vaccination drive. He said that due to scientific management of vaccines, there was no wastage. Jairam Thakur invited the Prime Minister to inaugurate the 111 megawatt Swara Kuddu hydropower project and 210 megawatt Luri Stage 1 project constructed by Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited. He also requested him to lay the foundation stone of 66 megawatt Dhola Sidh project in Hamirpur district. IMD predicts heavy rain in Himachal Pradesh for next 3 to 4 days, issues a landslide warning. The India Meteorological Department IMD issued a warning for landslide in Himachal Pradesh due to heavy rainfall predicted in the next 3 to 4 days. The Meteorological Department in Shimla stated that as per the latest weather conditions and interpretations of different global and regional models, rainfall activity is very likely to increase for the next 3 to 4 days with moderate to heavy rainfall in the lower and middle hills of Himachal Pradesh. The Weather Department further added that expected weather condition may trigger landslides on national and state highways, inundations in low-lying areas, high discharge in stream and nulas, besides disruption of traffic and other electrical and communication channels. Maskless crowds in Shimla finally catch attention of authorities. Tourists restricted on Ridge Mall Road. Images of maskless tourist crowding hill station have finally woken up authorities from their slumber, with the administration in Shimla deciding to impose a restriction to curb the influx of those looking for a gateway. Keeping in mind the possible third wave of coronavirus, the administration has decided that except senior citizens, no one will be allowed to sit on the popular spots of Mall Road and the Ridge. Most benches put up at these places will be removed and only the elderly will be allowed to use the ones remaining. The number of people at these places will also be restricted to ensure COVID-19 protocol is followed. Shimla DC Aditya Negi in an order said police would be deployed at the entry points of the Mall Road and the Ridge to control the crowds. The tourists would also be made aware of protocols such as wearing masks and practicing social distancing to avoid spread of infection. India records 41,157 fresh COVID cases, 518 more fatalities. India logged 41,157 new coronavirus cases, which took the infection tally to 3,11,06,065, while the death toll climbed to 4,13,609, with 518 more fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Sunday. The active cases have declined to 4,22,660 and comprise 1.36% of the total infections, while the national COVID recovery rate stands at 97.31%. The data showed. It says that active COVID-19 cases have decreased by 1,365 in a span of 24 hours. 25 die as heavy rain triggers landslide in Mumbai, railroad traffic hit. 25 people died in house collapses triggered by landslide following the incessant overnight rain in Mumbai, which caused severe waterlogging and disruption of suburban train services and vehicular traffic in the financial capital on Sunday, officials said. The Western Railway and Central Railway briefly suspended suburban train services in Mumbai after the heavy rains, and many long-distance trains were terminated or regulated at various stations, officials said. President Ram Nath Kovind to visit Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh from July 25 to celebrate Kargil Divas. President Ram Nath Kovind is expected to visit Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh next week for 3 days, during which he will celebrate Kargil Divas on July 26. President Kovind's visit will start on July 25, officials said. The president is likely to go to the Kargil War Memorial during his stay, officials said, adding that the tour plan is still under preparation. India will observe the 22nd anniversary of Operation Vijay this year, which marks the victory of the Indian Armed Forces over Pakistan in the mountains of Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir on July 26, 1999. Monsoon session said to be stormy, opposition to corner government over fuel prices, COVID management. With the opposition gearing up to corner the ruling BJP-led NDA government on a host of issues, including the rise in petrol and diesel prices, the alleged COVID-19 mismanagement, vaccine deficiency, and farmers' agitation, the stage is set for an expectedly stormy monsoon session of Parliament. A day before the session begins, a string of meetings are scheduled in the national capital. Meanwhile, the government on Sunday held an all-party meeting that was attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on floor leaders of various political parties. Punjab Congress Chief Sunil Jakhar calls MLAs meet on Monday. Amid intense infighting in the Punjab Congress, PPCC Chief Sunil Jakhar has called a meeting of 80 MLAs and 26 district presidents at the Congress Bhavan at 3 p.m. on Monday. In the prevailing situation, Jakhar said he had urged the party high command to take an early decision on the PPCC chief. In a statement issued on Sunday, Jakhar said in the meeting all the MLAs and district presidents would pass a resolution stating that whatever decision the party high command takes regarding Punjab would be acceptable to the entire state unit. Farmers protest. Delhi police asked DMRC to close 7 stations if needed. The Delhi police on Sunday wrote a letter to Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC to keep extra vigil at 7 of its stations in view of the protest call given by farmers near Parliament. The police also urged DMRC to close Janpath, Lok Kalyan Marg, Patel Chowk, Rajiv Chowk, Central Secretariat, Mandi House and Udyog Bhavan stations on Monday. The letter was sent after the Delhi police held a meeting with a delegation of farmers near Singhu border ahead of their planned protest starting from July 22. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
धूमल क्यों हारे?
सरकार जो है वो कानून व्यवस्था को नियंत्रित करने में नाकाम हो रही है।
इसमें जो दोषी लोग हैं वो जेल की सलाखों के पीछे। तो
rift in the party that has led to the defeat in previous election.
The rift कोई नहीं थी पार्टी में।
ग्रामीण शिमला की बात करते हैं।
Unprecedented amount of development work in this constituency.
है कि हमीरपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए जो फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस थी वो भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की वजह से डिले हुई।
हमने केंद्र से फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस करवा कर दी।
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।